We are adding rational expressions here. However, we do not have a common denominator. One expression has 7a and the other 5a, so we need to find the common denominator and then rewrite these fractions. So the first step is to find the common denominator. They both have the a, but the first expression has a 7 and the second expression has a 5. So since those are numbers, we treat them like regular fractions, and to get the common denominator between a 7 and a 5, that would be the lowest common multiple, which is 35. So we're going to rewrite each one of these with our lowest common denominator of 35a. So they already have the a, it's just a matter of changing the numbers. For the first expression, in order to turn the 7a into a 35a, I need to multiply by 5. And if I multiply the bottom by 5, I have to also multiply the top by 5. And for the second expression, to turn the 5a into a 35a, I need to multiply by 7. But then I need to also multiply the top by 7. So each one of these denominators now, 5 times 7a gives me 35a, and the second one, 7 times 5a, gives me 35a. So we really just need to multiply the tops in order to figure out what the new terms are. Now I put those parentheses in there to show that I have to multiply each term in the numerator by that number on the outside. So I'm going to have to distribute the 5 times a to get a 5a, and then also distribute the 5 times the 3 to get 15 for the first term, and then also distribute the 7 for the second term. 7 times 3a, 21a, and 7 times 2, 14. So now that we have a common denominator, we've just rewritten the original fractions as new fractions with a common denominator. We can actually add these two together, keeping our common denominator, 35a. Looking at the numerators, I've got like terms here with the 5a plus the 21a. So 5a plus 21a is 26a. And then I've also got the like terms that are numbers, the 15 and the 14. I can add those two together and get plus 29. Now there's nothing to factor out of the top, so nothing to cancel. We've got this in as simplified form as we can.